Lake Erie Golf Cars has one of the largest selections of new and used E-Z-GOs. From the ground up, it's your golf car how you want it. If you can dream it, we can build it. Some have bigger imaginations than others. Start by picking the rims you want. Then pick the color you want from our stock selection. If we don't have it, don't worry. We can find it. Add the accessories you want. Go overboard a little. It's okay, we won't tell anyone. We also have just the right people to build your dream golf car. Don't forget we have OEM and aftermarket parts when service time comes. Visit us at LakeErieGolfCars.com today.